To thank each of y'all for getting here and being here this morning. As Scott just said, the individuals who are sitting in this room now are the ones who've made the commitment to our party and to making it great. And as we see our numbers grow here, we'll see our numbers grow at the ballot box. We've heard some great ideas of how to get our party growing, how to get our country back on the right track today. And it's important that we leave the comfortable confines of this room and that we go out and we start spreading that message out on the streets, out at our business places, out to our neighbors. Because that's the way our party will grow. That's the way our country will get back on the right track. As Republicans, we have the right ideas to change our country back to the way that our founding fathers intended. And it's our job to go out and spread the message. It won't be with one person. And we'll spend the next month or so debating on who should be the leader of our party at the state level. And there will be differences of opinion. There will be probably a floor fight. There will be a long convention. But as soon as that person is chosen, it will be time to unite behind them and to work together to elect Republicans in 2014. There's going to be a lot of great qualified candidates at races from the local level to the state level. Spend your time in vigorous debate. That's what our founding fathers intended. They didn't intend for us to agree. They intended us to have spirited debate. But as Republicans, once we have settled on our nominee, we all must unite behind them. Because we know that the person that we choose in our Republican primary in July is leaps and bounds above whoever the leftist liberal Democrats will put out. They're trying to put Georgia back in play. If we look over the last couple months, our president has visited Georgia multiple times. They don't make those trips just because they are looking for somewhere to go. They make those trips because they're trying to put our state back in play, and we cannot allow that to happen. We worked too long to take back the state legislature, to take back the governor's office, to take back congressional districts that Republicans have never held. And we still got work to do, but it's going to take us being united under one voice. So thank you for being here today. Thank you for the commitment you've made to this party and to our country. I'm always here to help you. Please let me know if I can ever do anything for you. And again, just thank y'all.